So I'm going to be reviewing lesson 4, which is quadratic functions with roots. So some terms you should be familiar with is quadratic function, which is written as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and quadratic equation, which is written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So to solve for a quadratic equation, it means to find the x-intercepts or zeros of the corresponding function, or the roots of the equation. You should also be familiar with family of functions. They have common properties such as same slope and x-intercepts. So the first example is, determine the equation in factored form of a family of quadratic functions with each pair of roots. So the roots that are given are positive 3 and negative 6. So, factored form is y equals a bracket x minus r bracket x minus s. So what you're going to do is basically sub them in and replace them with r and s. So your equation would then become y equals a bracket x minus 3 bracket x plus 6. This is because whatever is in the bracket is always opposite to what the numbers actually are. And then your final answer would be f of x equals a bracket x minus 3 bracket x plus 6. So the second example is, find the equation of a quadratic function that has the given x-intercepts and contains the given point. Express each function in factored form. So, the numbers that are given are negative 3 and 5, and the coordinates that are given are 4 and negative 3. So over here on the side I wrote down what the numbers were. So I placed r with negative 3, s with 5, and since these are coordinates, this is x and this is y. So this is the equation that we're going to sub these numbers in. So on the side I just made a quick note of what each number was. So I replaced y with negative 3 equals a bracket 4 plus 3. Since it's negative and negative, it becomes positive, and then 4 minus 5. And then I simplified what was in the brackets to 7 and negative 1. And then over here, what you have to do is, since you want the a by itself, you move the 7 to the other side. And then it becomes negative 3 over negative 7 equals a. When you divide negative 3 and negative 7, it becomes positive 3 and 7. And that is your answer for A. And your final answer, written in this equation, would be f of x equals 3 over 7. So you're just replacing what you got over here with A. And then you just sub the r and the s into the brackets. So it'd be x plus 3, since it's negative 3 over here, and the bracket's going to be plus 3, x minus 5. So since it's a positive 5, in the bracket it's going to be a negative 5.